Hello. Nomad Sculpt clear transparent glass. This is Procreate, and this sphere is from Nomad. And the problem is when you insert the PNG, Export hinzufügen, okay, Foto einfügen. This is the export from Procreate, from Nomad, and it's not transparent, only the background is transparent. And you have to adjust the blend modes. This is the picture from Nomad Sculpt. Set it to LE, and the other ones copy it a few times and set it to color dodge. Then it's transparent. You have to experiment with the layers. This is for exporting and use it as a real transparent object, but it's experimental. Okay, and in Nomad the settings are I adjust the background a little bit. Yes, make sure that the background is black or something, but I like to I like a little bit of other color, like this. And I clear the scene, and we bring a sphere inside, and environment is set, and okay. Now we can validate this object. Every object is possible. And first, when you make something in a real transparent object, to change it, bring the color to black of the object and paint all. Black is in Nomad Sculpt transparent. Okay, and then go to the material settings, make it additive, then it's a glass, a transparent glass. And to make it no more visible, to make it real transparent, press always unlit. And the object is always is still there, and you can use the paintbrush and give it a color. And now you can paint on this object, and it's not visible, but yes, you can see clear through it. And turn off always unlit, and this happens. Okay. And to change the glass a little bit, you like a milky glass or something, go to the color settings, bring it to black, and now you can, when you go up and down with the slider, only in the grayscale area. Here's the best setting to make the glass, I think. Make it a little bit like this and paint all, and let's add a box, bring it inside, and you can look through it. Okay, the other settings with the material, it's also possible to use dithering or bring the opacity down, but it looks not so like real glass at the additive position, and in a clear black. Yes, that's it. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.